Today I'm gonna save your life. This is good for making the pizza in an oven that is really low on temperature, so home oven. Hello guys, from my studio Iacopelli. We are in the beautiful California. I have my jacket. We are in my favorite restaurant because these guys, they make it. You saw the video before or something, but today it's an interesting video. Come with me because I want to explain to you. Let me put right away the jacket. I'm gonna get this guy a tip. So this video is going to be super technical. So you know why? Come here. I'm gonna help him today to make a better pizza. Bello by Sandro, my favorite restaurant in Los Angeles, United States of America. I've been in Italy for a few months, you know.
Yeah, fun.
Today I'm gonna save your life.
You're gonna save my life? Okay,
So,
how are we gonna save my life?
I've been coming here a few times or so. Come with me. I want to explain you something.
Okay, let's go here.
I saw some mistake here. Welcome to the pizza place of Bello. I'm going to do this video very technical because I'm going to show you how to make a better pizza even if your oven sucks. We can say that?
Yes, you can.
So let me show you how, and then let's start everything with the dough because the dough is important, right?
Yes, sir.
You guys, the bigger, what is the bigger?
The biggest inside.
Okay, let's go make some dough. I almost forgot, guys, before we're going to make it the pizza, I want to explain to you, excuse me, Sandro.
Yes,
please.
sir, sorry.
I want to explain what's going on, why it's wrong. They say usually your oven sucks, why? Can I tell them why? The problem with this pizza oven is the door is too big. So why? When you have a door that is too big, the heat goes out. You're gonna lose the pressure that it needs to cook the pizza, especially when you're cooking the Neapolitan pizza. This oven, it's way too high and the pizza doesn't get the heat for making the pizza soft and crunchy. The flame of this pizza oven is way too far, it's huge. So I'm gonna show you where to position the pizzas. How much wood you use in there?
A lot.
A lot of wood. And what else? Bottom of the oven probably doesn't go up. So let me teach you how to do it. If your oven doesn't go up at the bottom, let me show you a tip, the first tip, how to bring the oven, the bottom up. So, did you see that you have wood here? So see this ash? If your bottom of the oven is cold, you just go ahead and flip over the ash like that. Probably you know this tip, Sandro. And then you wait 5 minutes and the oven goes up. Or if still the oven doesn't go up, you go ahead and then spread all the ash in the oven like that. Don't worry about it, we're gonna clean up everything because it's super important that you have to clean. So you spread all the ash in the oven and then you wait about 10-15 minutes and your bottom of the oven goes up. Then we're gonna clean up everything. So guys, why I'm explaining everything about the pizza oven? The pizza oven, see, it's cleaning up everything. The pizza oven, it's 80% of your best, to make the best pizza, it's 80% important. So if you don't have a good oven, it's a problem. Tell me, you just said something. Tell them.
The problem with this oven, it takes forever to reach the temperature. So it takes a ton of wood and it never gets the temperature.
So the oven, I explain you how to prevent to put a lot of wood and to make the oven to go in temperature more faster. So this is how you do it. Sorry, you don't need to buy a new oven because this was already in the restaurant. So what we're gonna do, we have to make a better pizza, better dough. So this is how you do it. You have the flame, gas on, put a little bit of flame with the wood, but to make it faster, get the door, don't close it because it's gonna explode everything. You put the door in front and you leave it open about 10 inches, and this is gonna make the oven to go up faster and heat up the stone better. Okay guys, now it's time to show you how to make the dough because you need to make the best dough to be able to use any kind of oven. So this dough, it's good also if you want to cook the oven, if you want to cook the pizza at home. So pay attention and let's go see how to make this recipe. The first thing here is to prep the biga. We have 1 liter water, 2 kilos of 00 flour, 5 grams of dry yeast and 5 grams of honey. I mix up everything, I put it in a bucket, 3 hours at room temperature and then 24 hours in the fridge. Close it. Now we open up and we're gonna use this for the recipe. So Sandro, here we're gonna make a 100% biga recipe. So we will need 600 grams of really cold water, possibly with ice, 35 grams of salt, and the whole biga. That's all we need.
Yes.
Super simple. So this is how you do it. So we're gonna go ahead and put all the biga, break it like that, see? Salt. And go ahead and let us stay at speed number 1 for a few minutes. Now there is the salt is integrated. Speed number 2, pay attention to this. So we're gonna add the water very little by little. It's gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes. So we have to wait that every time the dough absorbs water. Okay guys, so the dough will be ready when voila, when we finish the whole water. So we're gonna go ahead and the second step, which is the most important step. Stop, the dough, it's ready. So let's go ahead and let's go on the first step. We need about, maybe this is about 20 grams of olive oil.
That's a little bit more than that, probably, yeah.
Olive oil in your hands, a good olive oil. Wow, what's going on? What's going on? Look at this dough. That's what we want. So boom. Look at it, look at this dough. My God, this is the gluten structure. Let's go ahead and let's put everything on the table. Let's not wasting time. Again, olive oil in your hands. On top, top. Look at this. Open, and open the dough. See, when you open this is gonna create the gluten much stronger. The goal of making this pizza is that you have to have a really strong gluten. So at this point, see, we put the olive oil on top. We're gonna try to get everything and put it under. So see what I'm doing? I'm putting the dough inside. This, you need to be quick. See your hands? Be quick. Nice and strong. Get everything. It's not even sticky. Look at this. You can do this dough only with a dough machine. Done. Now olive oil on top. Like that. We want to put almost everything. Cover up the dough with the olive oil. Guys, in the meantime, they were waiting for Sandro to get some plastic wrap. Smash the like, it's totally free. Subscribe. We're almost to 1 million. So the goal is in these few months, let's get at least to 900,000 subscribers. Voila, a little bit. Close like that, and then let's wait about 30 minutes at room temperature, and then we are ready to make the balls. Okay guys, 30 minutes is passed by. Now we're ready to make the balls. Come here, like you can see here. It's super soft. So guys, again, we're gonna make a little bit different this way. Because you are home, or if you're in the business, you can put a little bit of olive oil here. Use a little bit these cups. This way, it makes more easy to work because it's super high on hydration. Voila. Now let's make the balls about 300 grams each. So it's very important to not add any flour. We go ahead, a little bit of olive oil here too. Pay attention, it's super important. We need to do it 300 grams. So let's go ahead, let's make the ball again upside down like that, and gently you make the ball this way. Like you can see, it's super strong and it doesn't stick. So what I'm doing here is I'm closing the dough like a balloon. See? When it's nice and tight, like this, it goes up, we can go ahead inside a container and close it. Seal it like this. Now let's leave it at room temperature for about 1 hour to 2 hours, and it's ready to use. Okay guys, the dough is lovely ready. Like you can see, it double up the size, is nice and full of air. Before we put the pizza in the oven, we have to have, that's super important, couple of pieces inside the oven here to warm up. Even if the oven is big, you have to have some piece of wood to warm up because you need to cook the pizza with the flame. So right now the wood is warming up. Let's go ahead and let's make the pizza. With this pizza dough, you can make the perfect soft and crunchy pizza, even your own oven. If you're making the pizza at home, warm up the oven at the max temperature, wait 30 minutes, and then you make the pizza. So put a lot of flour on the floor. Flour, this is semolina. mixed with the regular flour, 50-50. Look at this. You need a lot of flour. Dump the dough just exactly like until it gets detached from the container. See? It's detaching. Let it go by himself. Voila. Done. So now, without touching it, gently go ahead, flip it over upside down because this part it needs to stay on top. So now, press gently the crust. Once it's about 8 inches, tap, 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 tap. Watch this. One end big, then on top. Take off all the flour fast, then put it down again. Do one more time like that. Take off the flour, press with your finger, take off all the air to the crust. Done? Done? Done. You don't want to make it too big, otherwise the dough is gonna stick. It's perfect. So let's go ahead, let's put, we're gonna make a classic cheese pizza. Voila, all the way everywhere. Parmesan cheese everywhere. So let's go ahead, let's put the cheese on top. Sandro likes here to use a high quality pepperoni, so he doesn't use the pepperoni, but he uses soppressata, nice and spicy. So we're gonna make it with a spicy salame. And then a little bit of olive oil on top. Voila. Now pay attention. Then get the piece of wood and then put it on top. Voila. Now you'll see it's gonna fire up. A little bit. Boom. See? Put the right flame. Gently like that. Then boom. One shot. All the right there, and then we make the pizza 12 inches big. One shot like that, voila. So pay attention, I'm placing the pizza right close to the flame. So, right in the center, and then boom, one shot. Even if you have an oven that is not the best, your oven sucks, you still can make the good pizza. You can see here, it's getting nice and, look at this, and puffy. So now gently, go ahead and turn it. Like you can see now, the pizza is about to come out, and this is the most easy recipe if you follow and you want to make pizza home. It's fantastic. But most importantly is to have the right flame in the right time when you want to make a good pizza. If you're home, make sure you don't open ever the door, so you're gonna keep it closed all the time. The pizza is ready, I want to show you. Voila guys, take a look of this pizza. Boom. Excuse me, Sandro. Get the final texture, if it's soft and crunchy. Nice, crunchy and soft at the same time. This is how to make the best pizza, even if you have the oven that sucks. Outstanding pizza, soft and crunchy. Go ahead, share this video, and I'll see you at the next one. Ciao!